Hello and welcome to this edition of Fiery Friday. I'm Rob Lienti, Senior Sales Development Manager for EFI's Fiery Business Unit. And today I'm going to show you how you can check files for design issues before printing with Fiery JobFlow. In this example, I have a workflow called Pre-Flight and Print Booklets. And what this workflow does is it will look at files that we put into the workflow and check them for any type of predefined design errors. If it finds that there's errors, it will kick those over to a folder where they can be checked and be fixed. So let me show you how it works. I'm going to drag these files into the workflow and they're going to process. Let's look under the hood and see what we're looking for. So in this example, I'm checking files to see if there's any images under 200 dpi, and I'm also checking to see if there's any missing fonts. In any event, if there's a problem in either one of these areas, we'll send an email to the admin, and we will then move those files to a check files folder. If the files are okay, they'll go through and impose them for booklet printing and then send over the Fiery to finish the print piece. So let's look at the files coming into JobFlow. And you'll see some are in process, and we've already had one that has aired out. So now we can check both of them. So let's see what has happened. So let's first look at the job it's completed. You can see this one was fine, and it's been laid out as a booklet. Okay, we'll go look at the other one, and you're going to see we have it's aired out. So here we can look at an error report to see exactly what happened. So in this example, on pages 1 through 3, we found image resolution was at 150 dpi versus 200. So we have identified a problem with that file where we can then go fix that before we print the file. So if we close this out and go to our folder, you'll see here is the file that had the issue with it that can now be fixed before we print. This is just another way to use Fiery JobFlow to automate some of your pre-flighting capabilities and to fix jobs before you print them. I hope you enjoyed this edition of Fiery Friday. If you have any questions about the video you saw today, please feel free to reach out to me at rob.lienti@efi.com or message me on LinkedIn. Have a great weekend.